Hi, I'm Paul. I'm the Public Works Director with the City of Lakeville. I want to let you know about the new public electric vehicle charging stations that have recently been installed at some of the city parking lots. The city has partnered with Carbon Solutions Group for the electric vehicle charging stations. As part of the partnership, Carbon Solutions Group funds the capital and operational costs at no cost to the city. Users pay a fee to utilize the charging stations. The charging stations are located at City Hall, Heritage Center, Arts Center, Market Street parking lot next to Ace Hardware, and the Ames Arena. The charging stations are either a level 2 24 kilowatt charger or a fast charging 180 kilowatt station. Users will need to download the Dirt Road app and create an account before using the chargers. More information on how to use the chargers are posted at the charging stations.